Welcome to this Visual Bites on how to bring calling to Microsoft Teams. In this short video, we'll look at calling within Microsoft Teams, calling plans, direct routing, and Operator Connect. Hello, my name is Steve Rush, and I'm a consultant here at Visual, focusing on modern communication and device management. I've worked with Microsoft communication platforms since Office Communication Server through Lync and Skype to the latest Microsoft Teams. As a former Mitel certified engineer, I have experience with traditional telephone platforms and their journey of adopting and migrating to Microsoft communication platforms. Calling within Microsoft Teams is formed of two parts. The first part is Teams Phone, which can be thought as the central phone system. Teams Phone is a licensed feature and is included within select licensing SKUs or as a per-user add-on license. The second part is dial tone, which is the connectivity to the outside world. This can be provided by one of or a combination of three solutions. The first of these solutions are Microsoft calling plans. Next, we have direct routing. The last method of connectivity is Operator Connect. Calling plans from Microsoft provide telephone service to users without requiring any further infrastructure. As well as providing a telephone number to a user, calling plans provide bundled outbound calling minutes. Calling plans will either be a domestic calling plan, allowing users to call out to numbers in their own country, or an international calling plan that, in addition to in-country calling, provides access to 196 countries and regions. Calling plans are available in over 30 countries and enable rapid provisioning of service to users. With calling plans, minutes are pooled at both the plan and country level. In this example, 5 UK users have 6,000 minutes used between them, and US users 15,000, allowing high call volume users to be balanced out by low call volume users. With domestic and international plans, there are pools for domestic minutes and international minutes, and whichever pool is depleted first depletes the remaining minutes in the other. So, what happens if the user needs to make calls outside of their calling plan allowance? They can be assigned access to communication credits, which is a prepaid billing model to allow both dial out to international destinations if assigned only a domestic plan, as well as if their call allowance has been used up. Additionally, communication credits allows for dial in toll-free numbers and dial out from conferences. With direct routing, you can connect your own PSTN service via certified session border controllers, also known as SBCs, into Microsoft Teams. These SBCs can be self-hosted or provided as a managed service and allow the continuation of existing telco contracts. Additionally, they can provide the ability to connect Teams with third-party systems and analog devices. Direct routing can coexist with calling plans. Users can be assigned either or a combination, allowing some calls to be made via Microsoft Calling Plan Network and others via direct routing. Microsoft does not currently have a certification program for carriers or partners that offer direct routing. They do, however, certify SBCs from certain vendors that can be used for direct routing and its capabilities. Operator Connect is the latest solution for bringing voice into Microsoft Teams. It is a carrier-provided service, allowing you to choose your own carrier to provide the telephone service. Calls are then routed directly to and from the carrier into the Microsoft network. All three solutions have their pros and cons, and all three can be used within a tenant at the same time, allowing you to pick the best service as required for each specific use case. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions on Microsoft Team Calling or any Microsoft service, please reach out to us.